Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. So take a paper and tear it like this and then paste it on the edges of the cake. Now make some patterns over it like this and make a candle on the top with the paper. And then take a orange color paper, cut it like this and make a flower. Now after that put a orange color in the between and make few more as such. And then paste them. Make the fireworks on the top and it's done. Next, we'll be taking paper pieces like this and make the tree leaves like this, make the branches. Now take a blue color paper, tear it like this and make the water stream. Now paste the trees on the sides of it and it's done. Next, we'll be tearing the paper like this. Now we'll be pasting them one by one on the black sheet and make the branches of the tree. Now using the paper circular pieces, we'll be making the flowers like this. Paste them one by one and it's almost ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking a paper and then make the cake with it. Now paste it like this and then make the candle on the top like this. Now make the balloons on the sides like this and it's done. Next, take a leaf. Now paste it like this and then paste small pieces of paper or the leaves to make the birds with it and it's done. Next, take a yellow color paper, cut it from the between like this. Now take the paper strips and paste them like this to make a tree. Now keep pasting it and turn the paper. Don't forget to make the ladybirds on the top of the tree like this. And it's done. Next, we'll be taking the balloons and then paste the double-sided tape and fold the balloon like this and press it like this and paste it on the sheet. Fill the mouth of the balloon with the clay. Make its ears like this using different colors. Make their eyes, nose and mouth. Make their hands and legs like this and then make their shoes. Now on the top, make the clouds like this with the white clay and make some water droplets like this and it's ready. Next, take a paper and then make the branch of the tree with it. Now apply the glue and paste the paper pieces like this. So just take small pieces of paper. Next, take the empty peanut shells and paste them like this to make the deer. Now make its eyes, nose and mouth. Make its tail on the back like this. Now take grass pieces like this and then paste them and it's done. Next, we'll be taking the leaf like this and cut it in the same shape as shown in the video. Now paste it over the white sheet. Now again put some pieces of paper in the same manner. So here we are making a cactus tree. Make the flowers on the top and make the thorns like this with the help of a black marker. Make a flower pot near it like this or over under it and it's done. Next, take a leaf, cut it and paste it like this. Now take out the small paper piece from it like this and paste it in the same manner as shown in the video. Make the face like this, make its eyes, nose and mouth and then keep making its legs and hands as shown in the video. Now after that, take a leaf and make a base like this and it's ready. Next, we'll be taking a yellow color paper, fold it. Now take a green color paper to make the leaf of the pineapple. Paste it on the top. Now take small pieces of yellow color paper, roll it like this and paste them one by one. Put the black dots over it and it's ready. Next, we'll be making the heart-like shape papers and paste them like this. Make a butterfly out of it. Make the lines and it's done. Thanks for watching a video.